Hey, I'm Andrew, and one of the things we're going to talk about today is how you prepare to do any sort of outdoor activity with the right kind of gear. Now, I'm wearing right now something that's called the Tolman hoodie. This is something that's from Cotopaxi and is an awesome product. One of the things I love about this is it's really flexible in the shoulders, so I like to rock climb a lot, and getting something that actually fits when you do a lot of movement, either with your arms or walking or hiking or whatever it may be, is really important to me. So this is super comfortable, will keep me nice and warm. I can wear a shirt underneath or use this as an external layer. Now, speaking of layers, one of the other things I think is awesome is there is this awesome hoodie called the Fuego. This is super lightweight, really thin, which means it packs down really tightly. But also, I think it's like an 800 fill or something like that, and keeps me really, really warm. So this is something that's great for when you're going through multiple climatic zones and getting high in altitude. That's going to be an issue unless you have something like this to kind of keep you warm and keep you insulated. Now, sometimes it may not be enough, and so what you need is something like a windbreaker. This is the Tekka windbreaker, which I think is really nice. Again, this is extremely light. And when I throw this on as an external layer, one, it's really comfortable, and two, it's actually got some really great colors to it as well. So if you're taking photographs or trying to capture some of your action shots as you're going up either on a hike or as you're climbing or biking or whatever it may be, this is also a really great layer that you can throw on as well. Now the last thing that you really need is a day pack. So this day pack is really nice because it's about a 45-liter backpack. So I can fit everything I need in here, whether it's snacks, whether it's water, whether it's all these layers if I get too hot as I'm being active. But this is really great and really helpful for when you're out being active and climbing and doing other things outside in nature. Overall, with all these pieces of gear from Cotopaxi, I'm going to be equipped for any outdoor adventure I'm going to have. We will include some descriptions below for all these different products, which I think personally are awesome for when you're being outside and active. But definitely follow Cotopaxi. They're a brand that does a lot of good and has a great impact.